Everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your Instagram username. Basically, your username is not the name like your real name. It's actually your username, basically your at and whatever name that you use. It's pretty easy, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. How we can do it. So first of all, you're going to launch up Instagram, and from Instagram you're going to navigate to your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now from there, your username, as you can see, it's at the top over here, which is my name is simply Amar. Okay, how can I change this? How can I change it to something else? Is basically I am going to click on edit profile, and from here I can see all the different stuff that I can do. And over here, as you can see, is simply Amar. This is the same thing as my username, not my name. My name is like my real name. It's not going to show up for people, but my username is basically a unique ID that shows up whenever someone searches for my account. From here you can actually change it. So yeah, guys, that was it. How you can change your username on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you.